We've got seafood today and Paella de Marisco. You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Hello my friends, how are you today? Today is my birthday, that's why I thought of cooking something special. Paella de Marisco or seafood paella. You might as well give me a gift, give me a like. No, I'm just kidding. You're just being here today and watching until this point is highly appreciated. Thank you for believing in our format and in our content as a gardening and cooking channel. Let's start with the ingredients. The ingredients are your choice, but we need garlic, onion, bell pepper, optional chicken powder or bouillon, paella mix. I've got here mussels, prawns, Greek shrimps, frozen peas, olive oil, pepper, black pepper, and chili powder. Something is missing. The squid. Oh, it's under the prawns. And with that, we are ready to prepare the spices. I have here a traditional pan, but it's too small for my generous seafoods. So I'll be using a bigger pan. Not traditional, but practical. So we'll just set this aside. Oh, I forgot to slice the paprika. Let's start recreating the flavors of South Spain here in my little kitchen. One thing that I've learned from the professional chef is to have boiling water always ready when cooking. Because when you need to add water to your dish, you don't interrupt the cooking process because it's already boiling. And it's also good to have boiling water when you're stir frying because it purifies the air. So nothing fancy here. It's just a regular stir fry. We stir fry the rice first, but I'm using here, I just want to share this. It's a pre-mix, it's a paella mix and it's complete. Although if you want to make this from scratch, I've been making it from scratch, there's a list of spices that you can combine to make a paella mix. But this is the number one requirement. Paella is not paella without saffron. Yeah, King George, saffron. I'm doing the British pronunciation of saffron. I said saffron to comply to our UK viewers. Convention. King George, thank you. So what I was saying, yeah, this is I think available in many big grocery stores. Paella, or there are other brands. In Spain, I thank you by the way to Mirna, who bought me a fresh supply of spices. The first time I bought this was in Granada. Yeah. By the way, if you're watching this on a later time, I made a compilation of the best processions in Andalusia. One of them is in Granada. Samples too. Okay, too much stuff. Let's start with our stir fry. Around 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Regular oil will do, but you cannot duplicate the richness of olive oil. White or yellow onion is the preferred onion for this recipe, but I don't have it, so red will do. If you're using the DIY paella mix, use 1 teaspoon for every cup of rice. Let's add the garlic next. So excited, wait. Now the rice. Not many people know that rice can be stir-fried. Same for the arroz caldo, we stir-fry it. Or the risotto. There are people who make arroz caldos who do it this way. Just stir-fry, just saute the chicken, cook it, and then on a separate pot they make the lugaw and then combine. That's an anomaly. This is what I meant with having a readily boiling water next to your dish. See? I can simply pour it like this. Although the paella mix already contains saffron, we're going to add more. Plus black pepper, chili powder. And then we add these glorious colors. Green and red. Peas, frozen peas, and paprika. Or red bell pepper. Look at this combination. Isn't that love? It doesn't harm to add the mussels now and the squid. The mussels have been pre-cooked. Alternatively, use fresh mussels. Better. With the shells on for more effect. And that's the last time we mix our paella. And lower the flame. We'll add this once it's about to cook. This will just be toppings. It's about to cook, so we can now add the shrimps, or the prawns I should say. I haven't seen anyone cover their paella in Spain, but I need it. I need to cover it to cook the prawns. And after around 12 to 15 minutes, it's cooked. Paella de Marisco, flavor of South Spain, recreated here in my little kitchen. You too can make it. Easy. Paella. This has been your Kuya here, Romilo. Thank you for joining me here today as I bring you the flavors of the world. Today, flavors of Spain to your kitchen. Until next time, Dios te guarde.